Hello friends, welcome to Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to realistic clone objects in Photoshop. At first select Lasso tool, and select the character. Press Ctrl J to make a copy, then press Ctrl T to transform and scale the size. Drag and place this character here, and hide the layer. Then select the main layer, and select the second character. Press Ctrl J to make a copy, then press Ctrl T to drag and scale the size. The layer is selected and add a mask, and select it. Then select the brush, and the color is black. Click OK. Now brush this corner a little to make it soft. Select this layer and unhide, then add a mask. Again brush this corner. Now unlock the main layer, and select all by holding Shift. Go to Edit, and choose Auto Blend Layers. Enable Image Stack, and click OK. OK, this is done. Now zoom in a little the first character you cloned, and select Lasso tool. Then select the jumper. Go to Select, and Color Range. Click the eyedropper and select the jumper color. Select Add to Sample, and again drag on the color. The fuzziness is 31, then click OK. Select Magic Wand tool, and add these point to selection. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy. Select the layer, click on Adjustments and Hue Saturation. Click Colorize, and clip the layer. Then drag the sliders to adjust the favorite color. It's enough. And now this is the result. Thanks for watching.